welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Royal AM 1. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where you from?
Lekenzo from Westview.
Okay, my brother, what did you think about today's game?
Always Sundowns. We yellow wobunch. Look at this.
Yeah.
We yellow wobunch. Hashtag we yellow wobunch.
Yeah.
You know, Sundowns is it's like Man City.
Yeah.
It's like Man City and Sundowns are comparing notes. Pep Guardiola, Rulani Mukwena, they're comparing notes. They are sharing notes. How can we kill these teams like nothing? Yeah. So that is why I'm saying we yellow wobu baya, we yellow wobunch.
So Pep, Rulani, they are always on Skype together, just sharing the secrets.
Yeah, sharing notes, secrets. How can we kill these teams? Yeah. You know, when you play Sundowns, please advise to the other teams. Please don't try to press Sundowns high. You are dead. Yeah. If you press us high, yo, stresses by. Yeah.
So I'll press high, you open the floodgate.
Yeah, you are opening floodgates, my brother. You will be punished. Yeah.
So was that the mistake, your Royal AM today?
Not only Royal AM, all the teams, they try to press when they play from the back. They are actually luring you to the trap. You see, you come, they trap you like that as if they are going to give the ball away. Kantine, Usengozi. They just play it behind you. Ronin Williams and the goalkeeper of Man City, Anderson, same WhatsApp group. Naboba Shara Mama knows as good distributor Paul.
Okay, about today, who was the man of the match?
Obvious. Actually, the whole team is my man of the match. Shimshishi, Tebza Mrambulu, Umvalo Yavala, Ushalulile Nai. They played well.
So it was a collective effort from everyone.
Every game collective effort.
So you guys are just together.
Together as one. Just like the fans now. The game is long over, but we are still here. Yes.
About the fans, my brother, is there anything that you'd like to tell Mamelodi Sundowns supporters at home that are watching?
Let them come to the stadium and enjoy themselves. You see now, we watched Mamelodi Sundowns. When we get home, we watch Man City. You will think that you are still watching the game of Sundowns. Yes.
Sundowns is just that good.
That good, my brother.
Thank you very much, brother.
We hello Bobo Baya.